up, guys? Fire Alarm 9200 bringing you system test 42
with SafeMan 4202.
Yep, exactly. Looks like this will be the last test. Yeah, it looks like this will be the last test with the NFW-50. I've got a new panel, but before I set that up, I need to get some resistors for it. So this may or may not be the last test with the NFW-50, and if it isn't, there will be another one after this. So we still got the same pull stations up, except I don't think we showed. Did we show this the last test?
I don't think so.
Yeah, the SD
I put this up.
500 PS. I have 3 more of these, and I may sell them after this video. So we've got all NS's.
Well, not exactly.
Well, pretty much.
I have my LED
NS's,
Exceeder, my
NS MCW.
yeah, LHSW.
Yeah, LHSW.
That's still the same.
Yep.
Oh, and guys, this detector isn't hooked up to anything. It's just filling that spot.
Wheelock HSWC Exceeder.
Yep.
And Wheelock ZNS MCC. And then, yep. I don't know if anybody knew I had this. This is actually a wall mount ZNS that I received a few months ago. I don't think I really have showed it yet. But you're seeing it now. So I'm going to let David pull the BG10L.
I'm doing this.
Oh, you're doing that one?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Get my silent IP. Alright, if you have epilepsy, do not watch
You don't know the
this.
security relay's off, right?
Oh. Well, we'll find out. They're all in perfect sync.
Now, we go ahead and get this. So, we go while he resets that. Here we go. That's actually cool.
Sync. Alright, and the reason why it takes a little bit longer to silence than usual is because something with Wheelock, if there's multiple devices on one circuit, they'll all be in sync.
I really am back.
To test the detector.
Need that stool. Probably
Sometime today. Yep.
Okay. You reset everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do the system reset.
Okay. So before I end the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you the new panel. Yep. If you've seen my little demonstration video that I uploaded yesterday,
I did
it
one
is the
too.
5820 XL.
And I did get the annunciator working.
Yep, we have an annunciator for it, so...
Shout out to L Hall Electrician, or DJ Cyber Legend, for helping us get this program.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Might need to get some new resistors for this thing, but once I do that, this thing will be up on the system. So, there's
Stay
your
tuned
quick
for that.
panel. There's the panel. Goodbye.